Okay, so this is the old thermocouple off my patio heater. It's a Garden Treasure model PG183H. When I bought the thermocouple, it took a while to get here. I didn't take any pictures or video of the connection point. So I was able to hook up all the wires and everything. But when I got to up here, I could not figure out how to mount the bracket. So the bracket mounts to this box, and I was able to tell by there's like a fire line, a burn line there, that's where the bracket went. There's a small screw. It's mounted, it's up in there inside that box. It's one screw that holds the bracket on. So you have to put, when the bracket's off, you need to put the thermocouple, put a nut on the thermocouple, put it through the bracket, then put the top nut on. Then I had to fish the screw through here, and it was not easy, but I had luck with this long screwdriver here. So the screwdriver went through here. It's hard to see, and I need an extra hand, but anyhow, I was able to get that screw. But this is where the bracket needs to be mounted on a Garden Treasure patio heater. I called Lowe's, the helpline. They didn't have a diagram. There's no diagram in that book, but like I said, I was able to see that burn line, so I was able to tell that that's the angle that the bracket went. So I tried to, well, it lights, and it's windy, so I need to put the cover back on to make sure that this is in the right place, but I believe it to be. Okay, so it worked. I put this on top. It was too windy. The flame wasn't making a connection to the thermocouple. So the key was to remember where that bracket goes, to take pictures or videos, because I've had this thing apart for a month now. So there you go. This is I believe a Sams Club propane heater. It was a gift, and it's back up and running, ready to party. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Bill. Please subscribe and or like this video. Check it out. Thanks.